How to process jelly-filled cable wire. Here is our recycling solution for you. First, the jelly-filled cable is fed into a crusher. Prior to crushing, a cleaning solution is added to help separate the gel from the cable assembly. This cleaning solution is carefully selected to be both effective in dissolving the gel and environmentally friendly. Next, the sorted jelly-filled cables are cut into smaller pieces or pellets using specialized equipment, such as shredders or pelletizers. This process breaks down the cables into smaller components for further processing. In the solution provided by Sunny Group, after the jelly-filled cables have been cleaned and crushed, they will then be further sorted through an airflow sorting screen to completely separate the plastics and copper inside, and ultimately obtain pure copper and plastics. The purity of the copper can reach 99% or above. Through the above method, the jelly-filled cable can be effectively recycled, which not only protects the environment but also recovers valuable metal resources. Although it is a little bit more troublesome compared with ordinary cable recycling, it can be effectively recycled for these jelly-filled cables. Meanwhile, our recycling technology is also constantly developing and progressing. If you have related needs, you can contact us at any time.